very busy. Aman.
This took very long, right, Mama?
Yeah, too long.
And now I have to find these little guys. I have to find these. Oh man, what's wrong with my Lego? I gotta. Oh, this is. Oh, can someone hold the camera? This is so long, Mama.
Yeah, baby.
So freaking long. Please, two by this.
Ginagamit sa video, sabi niya daw yung Bewitch. Yan talaga yung OG shade ko. Sa video, Bittersweet Magenta gamit ko, pero dalawa yung stock ko. Meron akong Bittersweet Magenta and Bewitch kasi ito talaga yung bestseller nilang mga shade. Let's do a comparison video if hindi mo alam kung ano yung
I don't
bibili mo
know
sa
how
dalawa.
long.
Sa left cheek ko, Bittersweet Magenta. Ganyan lang ako
2 minutes.
ganyan lang talaga application natin. Right cheek naman is
The leg is going to be in.
ito yung favorite ko. Bittersweet Magenta, mas ma-red siya. Naman, mas maroon yung kulay niya. Very good, chef.
Never seen this before. Jackpot. Mama, jackpot.
Mm-hmm.
Jackpot. Careful not to break it. Who's that?
Open the door, baby.
Princess. Princess.
Sige po.
Mama.
Okay, alas ko.
Mama, we're almost done.
Mm-hmm.
And so the 8th layer is done. Oh my god.
Okay.
And then we can really post the video.
It's 8 layer now.
Yes, it's the 8th layer.
Mm.
almost done. Kailangan may calculate.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12. Ito lang. Princess is not even helping anymore. Mama.
Yeah, because it's uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I fixed it. Oh my god. I got tricked. I got tricked. Insulting. Got tricked into thinking it's real. I got. Mama, so we're super near the end.
Mhm. I think you're tired na too.
No, I'm not tired. I can fix it, but I want it this way anyways.
Yeah. You do that first. Later na you combine them.
Combine.
Put them together later.
Mama, we're almost done.
Yeah.
2, 4, 6, and 7. 7 more pieces to go.
Okay.
That's 2, 4, 4,
Hmm.
4. Then let's find the last one. Where could the last one be? Mama, after this 7, it's finished. Here come climb yours. Mama,
Mhm.
the last piece.
Oh wow, you completed it?
Not yet.
Oh, you did it. Mhm.
I've done it. I've done it.
Wow, you did it. Oh, you hurt your fingers. Show me your fingers. After so many. Oh, it's hurt.
Owie. After so many minutes. may present to you content. Well, and what's this? It's like Princess, I'm done. You want to check it out?
Mm. And the thickness.
The thickness, so the ability that even I could slip in it. Ability. Bye, guys.
Ang bango naman. I smell bread.
Abadi kanta naman.